there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a swinging spanner card. Let's get started. I'm using the card base with the gold polka dots. Then I cut at 1.5 inches and 4 inches from the edge of the card to the seam. Fold the two side flaps out of the way and trim 1/2 inch off the middle panel. Burnish the score line with a bone folder. After trimming the flap off the envelope, I cut down the decorated piece to 1.25 inches by 4 inches. Now it's time for assembly. Glue the patterned piece from the envelope on the left inside of the card. I took the large foil die cut Happy, auditioned where I wanted it on the front of the card, then cut dimensionals from the kit in half and place them on the widest parts of the back of the Happy. The sentiment now spans the open space in the center. No extra support was needed because the Happy is cut from a heavyweight foil. To decorate the swinging center panel, I used a combination of dimensionals and glue dots on the back of the embossed white pot, as well as some of the greenery pieces. And a pair of snips work great to remove the back of glue dots. I added the pink pot and the little mound of foliage on the inside right of the card. I tucked 3 more different sized pieces of foliage under the H of the Happy. To finish off this card, I stamped Birthday in polished pink on one of the banners included in the kit and positioned it as shown. And there you have it, a swinging spanner card. I love how the middle swings when the card is set upright. Find written instructions over on my blog at. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.